Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable private browsing on iPhone. Safari guide step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and find the Safari app icon. Tap Safari once to open it. Look at the bottom of the screen for the tab button. Tap the tab button that looks like two overlapping squares. If you do not see it, scroll slightly to make the bottom bar appear. On the tab overview screen, look for the option that shows your tab groups. Tap the label in the center bottom that may say Tabs, Start Page, or a number of tabs. A small menu will open with browsing options. Tap Private to switch to private browsing mode. Confirm that the interface changes to a darker private theme. Tap the plus button to open a new private tab. Type a website address or search term in the address bar. Browse normally, knowing Safari will not save your history for this session. To open another private tab, tap the tab button again. Tap the plus button again to add more private tabs. To switch back to normal browsing, tap the tab button once more. Tap the center bottom label again to open the tab group menu. Tap Tabs or your regular tab group name to leave private mode. Notice the theme returns to the normal Safari look. If you want to close all private tabs, stay in private mode first. Tap the tab button to view all private tabs. Press and hold Done, or tap and hold the tab group label depending on your iOS version. Choose the option to close all private tabs when it appears. To make private browsing easier to access, keep Safari updated in Settings. Open Settings and scroll to Safari if you want to review privacy options. In Safari settings, you can also block cross-site tracking for extra privacy. Return to Safari and repeat the same tab steps anytime you need private mode. Remember that private browsing does not hide your activity from networks or your internet provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.